everyone, welcome back to my channel. All I did, don't worry, I didn't do anything without you except cut up some bananas. Only one, because we only have one, but I need to tell you guys something. I found something really gross in half of the banana. It was all black, there was like a brown strip covering half of the banana, so I cut that off. Be sure to cut that off. I went like this to cut off the piece, but it was just all the way inside, so I couldn't make a smoothie with that. That was so gross. Okay, anyway, so all I did was cut up some, the other half of the banana, which however much you come out with, it has to be like the whole banana, but since, there was some disgusting stuff in it, I have to only do half. So it's okay if you have to do half. It's okay if you have to do like the whole thing. It doesn't matter. So far, this is how good the smoothie looks, guys. That looks like a picture on Instagram. I can't stop saying that because it's amazing. Anyway, final, last ingredient. Some blueberries. So I'm just going to get a tiny little bowl. Not tiny, but a medium bowl. Alright, pick out good ones. That one's fine, that one's fine. It's gonna take a while, guys. That one's fine, that one's fine, that one's fine. That one. Those, really good. Fine. That's fine. Good. Awesome. Great. Good. And good. Two more. Good and good. All right, so almost all the blueberries are really good. So you're gonna be needing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I dropped one. Blueberry down. Oh, I lost count. Okay, doesn't matter. Just put how many you think that is good, because I lost count. I would have told you the exact number if it wasn't for the blueberry down. And now I have to get one more. But it's okay. It's just one more. It's not like 5 more. Okay, put some. Oh my god. I want this to look like an Instagram photo, like so bad. I want it to. Alright. There we go. Just gonna add one more. Alright. Now for the next one. Alright guys, so be sure to lower down the volume because I won't be saying anything until this is over, or at least cover your ears because time for the ultimate thing that's gonna hurt your ears. 1, 2, 3. Alright, time to smell it. First I want to smell it. I'm gonna die! Guys, it smells amazing. It smells like the best thing ever. Okay. I'm so excited to try this. Get off! Time for the taste test. My favorite part of every video that I get to taste food. I'm gonna faint. I'm literally gonna faint. Guys, this is amazing. It's the best thing I've ever tried. You should definitely do this. I recommend this. This is one of my favorite videos ever. This is super good. Guys, try this at home. You should. I'm telling you, it's amazing. So, if you guys love smoothies, or at least love my videos, press the thumbs up button, and so you don't miss a video, press my notification button too, and subscribe if you haven't already to see a lot more videos coming your way. and stay cool for the next summer. Be sure to try this out. And see you guys in my next video. Goodbye. Wait. Before I say total goodbye, the would you rather of the day is, because I forgot to do that in like most of my videos, but it doesn't matter. The would you rather of the day is, would you rather drink, no, I'm not going to say smoothie. Actually, everyone's going to choose that. Comment down below the would you rather. Would you rather lick a dog's butt? And I think I've done that in my cousin's would you rather. Would you rather with my cousins? Or lick the ground. Okay, comment down below which one. For me, I would lick the ground because I do not want to lick a dog's butt. At least the ground has rocks instead of poop. Maybe it has poop. Okay, would you rather lick a dog's butt or lick the ground that has no poop? Clear, rock-free ground. No rocks that gonna stab you. Just rocks inside the ground. I would lick the ground because it doesn't have poop on it, so I would not want to lick a dog's butt. So, see you guys in my next video. Now it's a total goodbye. Bye!